All right, so here's a little video showing how you can see hidden files and file extensions. I opened up 125. I know you're doing 131, but I wanted it so you could find it on your own, but it'll be exactly like what I do. So let's say I was looking for hidden files in here. If I open up any file, wait, I should probably start this first. Hold on. You don't have to do this in your other one. So if I open up any of my file searching right now, there's some weird stuff here, but nothing that looks crazy yet. But if I go to View and look at these two items, you need to turn on hidden items. Look at that, stuff showed up. See that? That wasn't there before. Now it is. And if I turn on file extensions, you see some other shady stuff. Like, see this? You got a VBS, which looked like a text file, but now I know it's not. If I click that, it's probably going to do bad things. But it's a virtual machine, so who cares? Oh no. Anyway, but you always, every time you search, make sure that those two boxes are checked, because you will see a lot more than you would have before, because this whole folder was gone. Now I can see there's all sorts of stuff. There's a little file here, all sorts of things showing up in there. So it helps your searching. And once you find something bad, remember, like, I would look at the dates these showed up on, and I would search by date modified, and I might be able to find some other stuff, right? So if this one's on 3/7, I would put date modified, and I would go colon, and then I pick 3/7/ I think it's 2018, something like that. And you'd look for everything. Now I wouldn't just look in documents. Make sure you're looking like your whole computer, and you can find all sorts of stuff. Okay, so that's how you do the hidden files. It's under View and Extensions, because you want to see anything hidden. That's how you find it. All right, talk to you later.